Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, here I have a camcorder. This is a Sony HANDYCAM camcorder. It's in excellent condition. It's a Sony DCR-TRV11E. As you can see, it's quite a low number as well. The camcorder itself comes with a Cole's Ice lens, which is also in fantastic condition. I'll try and show you here. There is no scratches, coating loss or anything like that. Comes with original Sony lens cap. I will show you this camcorder fully working. It is placed on my ebay.co.uk, username JAKEJIM, for purchasing if you would like to purchase. It comes with a original Sony NP-FM50 battery, which I shall place into here. I am also including a Sony memory stick 4 MB, which should go into here. If I put it in the right way, would help, like so. I shall put a tape in as well, so you can see that there is no problems with the tape being in there. Well, the tape is already in there, sorry about that, but I'm showing you that there's no problems with it anyway. You can see 16 minutes have been used already, which I shall rewind back to 0. The LCD screen is in fantastic condition, no marks or anything like that whatsoever. I shall press play so you can see the video. I shall pause, like so. I shall unpause. I shall fast forward a little, as you can see, and I shall rewind. And rewind. And there you go. Perfect working order. This camera does have quite a few buttons: self-timer, end search. You can see a hell of a lot of buttons. The LCD screen is also fine. I'll see if I can get you to look in there. See, that looks good, doesn't it? And press play. And there we go. Play again. And I'll stop. Camera is in lovely condition. Also coming with this camera, I have 2 brand new cassettes to go with this. Also, I have a power cord lead, 3-pin power cord lead, and I have a Sony adapter, power adapter, for you to charge up the camera. And also I will be including a camera case, which I have here. Just one moment. There's the camera case. See if I can get that in a better picture. Like that. Comes with a neck strap as well. Thank you for watching.